Hey there, Frailers. Busted flat in Baton Rouge, waiting for a train. I'm feeling nearly as faded as my jeans. Bobby thumbed a diesel down just before it rained. They rode us all the way to New Orleans. I pulled my harpoon out of my dirty bed, red bandana, playing soft while Bobby sang the blues. Windshield wipers slapping time, I was holding Bobby's hand in mine. We sang every song that driver knew. Freedom's just another word for nothing left to lose. Nothing don't mean nothing if it ain't free. Feeling good was easy, Lord, when she sang the blues. Feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me and my Bobby McGee. From the coal mines of Kentucky to the California sun, your Bobby shared the secrets of my soul. Through all kinds of weather, through everything we done, yeah, Bobby Big kept me from the cold. One day near Salinas, Lord, I let her slip away. She's looking for that home and I hope she finds it. But I'd trade all my tomorrows for one single yesterday, to be holding Bobby's body next to mine. Freedom's just another word for nothing left to lose. Nothing, and that's all that Bobby left me. Oh, feeling good was easy, Lord, when she sang the blues. Feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me and my Bobby McGee. Da 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 da. La da 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 la da da la da da la da 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 Bobby McGee. La da da la da da la da da Bobby McGee. La da 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 Bobby McGee. Now, as you may or may not know, there have been a whole bunch of versions of Bobby McGee. Kris Kristofferson actually wrote the song, and of course, probably the more famous version is the one Janice Joplin did. She did it in a higher key. She did it pretty much in the key of G, but that's actually, the way it works out to be quite a high key for people to sing in. So I transposed out into the key of C, which is a little bit easier for, at least for most guys to sing. I'll show you how to do it quick at the end, how to do it in the key of G. It's, you know, not hard, but in any event, so the chords in this are just C, G, and F. I'm not getting that F very well, am I? Yeah, that's better. Anyway, so it goes like this. Alternating bass, if you can do it. So we'll go to C. So what I usually do is I kind of bounce my middle finger off that fifth string there, or the fourth string. So it's 1, and then on the second, so I strike out on the 3rd string, Frailing strum, and then for the second part I strike down first on the 4th string, and then I have the finger off, and I kind of, so it's, just like that. Busted flat in Baton Rouge, we just waiting for a train, just staying on that C, feeling nearly as faded as mine. Now goes to G. Dreams, same thing. Just open G, but bouncing that finger right off there. Yeah, just. Bobby thumbed a diesel down just before it rained. Rode us all the way to New Orleans, back to C. Lean. I pulled my harpoon out of my dirty red bandana. I was playing soft while Bobby sang the blues. Now we're gonna go on blues, we're gonna go to F. Bobby sang the blues. Now I'm kind of bouncing off the 2nd and 3rd strings here, just with the. Windshield wipers slapping time, back to C. Holding Bobby's hand in mine, back to G. We sang every song that driver knew. Back to F. Freedom is just another word for, back to C. Nothing left to lose. Back to G. Nothing don't mean nothing if it ain't free. C. Feeling good, back to F. Easy going when, back to C. He sang the blues. G. Feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me and my Bobby McGee. From the Kentucky coal mines to this California sun, Bobby shared the secrets of my soul. Anyway, so that's the whole song all the way through. Just that pattern for the verses and for the chorus. And I just want to show you. If that is too low for you and you want to sing higher, you can sing it pretty much in the key that Janice Joplin sang it in, which is, I believe, the key of G. So we're going to do it that way. We're going to do the same thing, just open G. Busted flat in Baton Rouge, waiting for a train. Feeling nearly as faded as my G. Go to D. So in that case, you're bouncing off of that the third string at the 2nd fret. I think I need to change these strings. They're getting sour on me or something. Bobby thumbed the diesel down just before it rained. Rode us all the way to New Orleans to G. I pulled my harpoon out of my dirty red bandana, playing soft while Bobby sang the blues. Now it goes to C. Windshield wipers slapping time, I was holding Bobby's hand in mine. We sang every song that driver knew. So that goes to D, and then back to C. Freedom's just another word for nothing left to lose. So that's C. Just another word for nothing left to lose. That goes to G, and then to D. Nothing, ain't nothing, and it ain't free. Feeling good was easy, Lord, when he sang the blues. Feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me and my Bobby McGee. So basically, that's how you would do the song in the key of G. But you have to sing it higher. Or sing it really low. Busted flat in Baton Rouge, waiting for the train, feeling quite as crazy as Bobby. Yeah, that's maybe Barry White would do Bobby McGee that way. Anyway, so that's it. You guys have fun with that, and I'll see you next week. Or thereabouts.